Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. Right now I'm standing in the open field. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of boys. They're playing together cricket. The Yusuf Ahmed is throwing the ball and the batter is Shumon. He's Shumon. He is a well player. I know he is all-rounder player, but no need to take catch. And behind me, as you can see, there is one of my little brother. His name is Ahmed. And as you can see on my left side, there is another brother. He is Maher. Yes. We are now playing. Now I am as a fielder, but I am making this video. Apart from this, I can't effort exactly in the playing because of making video. You know, I'm really addicted to making video. That's why whenever I go to, then I try to spend my time with English. That's why you can see in the playground I am making this video. So dear viewers, don't waste your time. Whenever you go any other place, at this moment you can make a video, you can practice your English. Enthusiastic boys are playing together. Today's weather is cloudy. That's why I'm really feeling exciting. The weather is really astonishing me. I'm overwhelmed. And I'm playing, not only playing, also I am enjoying the time. The weather is mind-blowing. Trying to make a run out, but unfortunately missed the run out. They're laughing, look at me. So don't worry. I'm continuing my video. Oh,